back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about how to enable aeroplane mode in our Infinix phone. Guys, you want to enable your aeroplane mode, so then how can you enable it? In this video friends I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So friends, first of all open your phone setting to enable guys your aeroplane mode. So once you can see this type of setting in your Infinix phone. So then how can you enable your aeroplane mode setting? So as you can see your more connection setting, friends, tap here and as you can see your aeroplane mode setting. So once you want to enable, so once you can enable from this right side. After enable guys, you can see this icon on your screen, and guys you cannot use guys your mobile data setting, and guys you cannot call anyone, and guys nobody can call you. Guys you can use guys to download movies, guys you can watch, download songs, offline games you can play only. So like that guys you can enable guys your aeroplane mode in your Infinix phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.